did I tell you to have a whale? Want Frankie to have a whale?
No, he said yes.
Here comes the whale.
Come in the middle, everybody.
The whale is coming.
Comes the whale.
Oh!
Can you ride them on your back?
Of course.
Go on the whale's
Ride the
back,
whale.
Frankie.
Come on.
You want to go on?
Ride the whale. Get on my back.
Frankie, go on.
Okay.
You gotta go ride the whale.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, you don't want to? All right. Watch Anton. Whoa. I know. Do I have to hold him? Frankie's turn next on the whale.
That's not it. I don't want it.
All right.
Here comes the whale.
I need my phone. I want to take a picture.
Here comes the whale. Here comes the whale. I got you.
Frankie? Grandpa's a whale.
Hey, Frankie's turn. Want to go on? Maybe he doesn't like the B-A-C-K. Oh, okay. May, you want to ride on Auntie? You want to get on my back? Okay.
What's up, Mom?